Gemini. This is your channel messages for the 20th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Gemini, we're going straight into your channel song. Murdering. I wanna love you, babe. I wanna love you, babe. Ooh, baby. Ashanti. Chapter 2. Let's ride. Can you ride for me? No stop for me. And can you take it to the top for me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always getting up for you, baby. Can you roll with me? All over me. And can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. I can't describe what I want to do with you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you ride for me? No stop for me. And can you take it to the top for me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always getting up for you, baby. Can you roll with me? All over me. And can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always getting up for you, baby. See, I don't mind. No, see, always thinking of you, baby. See, I don't know if I can handle you as just a friend. Now, baby, I can't pretend. Oh, baby, I'm so foreign. But I don't mind, long as I can have you in my life. Oh, baby, I'm satisfied. Even if you are not just my dirty blood clotting. That's what you thought. You thought I would be satisfied even though you are not just mine. Listen, Ashanti might want to risk risky business later on down in her life, but I'll be motherfucking damn if I'll share you. When are you gonna make me your girlfriend? You wanna be my girlfriend, turn a pop star, and make a lot of money to support me so I can be a stay-at-home guy. Stop saying that! Because I can do it. I just don't want to do it, okay? So I'm gonna, I just wanna love you, baby. Somebody wants to love you, baby. But as I don't mind, as long as I can have you in my life. Oh, baby, I'm satisfied. Even if you are not just mine. Get the dumbass nigga out of here. Get him out. I would not be satisfied even if you're not just mine. What the fuck? Sweetie, are you forgetting I'm an immigrant? You will be mine. And if you are not mine, then you will go to another bitch. Because I'll be damned if I have to share you. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Aries. Oh, you might be dealing with that Aries. I was actually dealing who I was doing. I was doing Gemini. No. Gemini, let's go ahead and go into your 5-card general future spread. Gemini, I just wanna love you, baby. Let's go. Ooh. Your overall message is the 3 of Cups. Okay, so I'm getting partying, celebration. Yeah, I'm getting you celebrating, Gemini. I don't know if you're celebrating to a new love or you're celebrating to the fact that this is a big achievement for you when it comes down to a personal goal. But I'm getting the 3 of Cups. I'm getting you around a lot of women though, but nevertheless, I'm getting you're having fun, you're happy. So your main card is happiness, celebration, and yeah. Let's see what your love is saying. Is the angels, Sagittarius. Yeah, someone really makes you feel tempered. They make them bring you peace of mind, peace of heart. And I'm getting the way how the Sagittarius nice, you probably would have shared them. And you wouldn't share them because you wanted to share them. You would share them because you knew that the Sagittarius was so nice. Why would they waste that peace, and that heart on one bitch? You would probably feel guilty and say, you know what, Sagittarius is so nice and probably do deserve 2 bitches, right? But I'm just saying, someone makes you feel tempered. Me getting you could have been in the most dangerous, disasterful situation. The Sagittarius won't get you out. I just wanna love you, baby. Always again. I'm getting the Sagittarius is who's celebrating you, okay? What is your career and money? We got got Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So your career and money is tied in with the Queen of Swords. Okay, so I'm getting this woman has access to your money. No, you could be working around women. I don't know if you work around women because you're in a music, you're an entertainer. Maybe that's why you're working around a lot of women. If that's not it, me getting a Sagittarius really have your back. You don't know, say Sagittarius has been putting in a good word for you because me getting you haven't seen them or your back turned to them. Or me getting the Sagittarius is celebrating you behind your back. Maybe you're somewhere doing, I don't know, maybe you're gone off somewhere. You're going to the fucking Olympics. I'm getting Sagittarius is at home watching TV, clapping, cheering you on, okay? No, that's how you carry your money though. Your carry your money is you. So me getting, maybe that's what it is. I'm getting, you're the breadwinner. So maybe you're a performer. I'm getting you're the breadwinner in the family. You're the breadwinner of the relationship as well. So I'm getting you work, the guy stay home. What's your health? Your health is the Emperor. Okay, so I'm getting your health. I'm getting you're an older man, but you don't have any type of ailments. No pressure, no sugar, no glaucoma, nothing. I'm getting you're a very, very healthy older man. So your health is great. You're probably gonna live to 100. And your home life is a 3 of Swords. Okay, so your home life is okay. So even though you're healthy, so healthy as a white blood cell, I'm getting your home life is terrible. Now your home life may be terrible because I'm getting the Queen of Swords. She's always missing. She's never here. Maybe do you know that the Queen of Swords is unhappy? Maybe you know the Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords says she's out with a Sagittarius. She's out with friends, partying. Me getting his lies. She's with a Sagittarius. You find this out. You might find out, say, this girl is in love with somebody else. Or me getting, there was a time where you were sick, you had to heal, and the woman was taking care of you. Why should I take care of you? Apparently she had an affair with a Sagittarius. Maybe you know the Sagittarius too. I'm also getting, I see you here with friends, and then it's like you're here, and you like you check the time, and then you say, I need to get home, man. I can't be out here so late. Me getting you with friends, you check your time and then you go home to this Emperor. I don't know, I feel like you don't realize how much the Emperor care for you, want to protect you, or wants to spend time with you. I feel like you don't understand how much the Emperor actually wants to be there for you. Me getting you always around these women though. So again, maybe you're an entertainer. If you're not an entertainer, me getting them woman, you're always around these women who are cop blocking you. Maybe them talk to the Emperor behind your back. But me getting the Emperor really want to talk to him, really want be around you. But me getting these women. No, I don't know if a big blood clot pussy woman go tell the Emperor say, you say you don't like him. Me say a blood clot war. And I war the bitch. And me and her now fight over the same blood clot, man. Maybe somebody, one of these women say, you know, so I was talking to her. Oh, you know, she's dating. Oh, you know, she with somebody. Yeah, she's with this guy. I don't know what you say. Be getting your friend them, the same friend them you're hanging around, them mention something to the Emperor about you. I mean, getting you really hurt the Emperor. I don't think you said it though. I feel like it was said behind your back. Or them girl there behind your back knows that the Emperor like you, them know you like the Emperor, so them had to fuck it up before the Emperor talk to you. Me getting them say something to him and him feel really fucked up. I don't know what they said to him. Hopefully he will just get over it and come to you and address you with it. And not just take what these ugly bitches said and walk with it. We have the Tower card. Yeah, there's going to be a tower. We have killed them with kindness. We have fake business. Yeah, you never said that. And it was said that you wanted to... I said that. I definitely said that about the Emperor. I definitely said that. We have phone number and the devil. And we also have all expense paid. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.